This 7.2-channel AVENTAGE network avenue receiver is designed to provide high-quality sound with Dolby Atmos and DTS. With the latest in HDMI technologies, experience movies in stunning 4K Ultra HD and High Dynamic Range, HDR. In addition, hybrid log gamma and Dolby Vision compatibility provide incredible contrast, smooth tone and rich, bright colors. The free MusicCast app makes it easy to access your music library and streaming music services. Add audio in up to 9 additional rooms with MusicCast wireless speakers or other MusicCast devices. Klipsch RP-260F 5.1.2 Reference Premiere Dolby Atmos Home Theater System with Yamaha AVENTAGE RX-A670BL 7.2 Chapter 4K Network Avenue Receiver Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and AirPlay provide flexible wireless connectivity. The RX-A670 supports HDR, high dynamic range, video including Dolby Vision and hybrid log gamma, which provides incredible contrast, smooth tone and rich, bright colors. Furthermore, it supports the wider color gamut of BT 2020 pass-through. This avenue receiver is also compatible with 3D, audio return channel and CEC for easy operation. Dolby Vision and hybrid log gamma will be available via future firmware update. The Reference Premiere RP-260F Floorstanding speaker takes your movies and music to the next level. Crisp highs and deep bass effortlessly fill a large room with lifelike sound. Your friends will be jealous, your neighbors will be pissed. The Reference Premiere RP-260 system delivers an unparalleled music and movie sound stage that feels like you're a part of the plot line or have front row tickets to your favorite band. 1. Yamaha RX-A670BL 7.2 Channel A/V receiver. 1. Pair of Klipsch RP-260F floor-standing loudspeakers. 1. Pair of Klipsch RP-250S Surround Speakers. 1. Klipsch RP-440C Center Channel Speaker. 1. Klipsch R-112SW 12-inch Powered Subwoofer. 1. Pair of Klipsch RP-140SW Dolby Atmos speakers. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.